What powers the world's biggest industries? Massive plants, heavy machines, extreme temperatures, and the precision engineering that makes it all work. Step into the world of heavy manufacturing. See molten metal cast into complex shapes, gigantic forgings shaped under thousands of tons, shells, plates, and pipes formed with millimeter-perfect accuracy, robots welding, cutting, scanning, faster than human eyes can follow. You'll learn how materials behave under stress, heat, and pressure, how machining removes metal by microns, how hydraulics, pneumatics, and servo systems move everything from turbines to excavators, how pressure vessels, reactors, and heat exchangers are actually built. And beyond the machines, you'll explore quality control, NDT, destructive testing, thermal coatings, painting, and inspection techniques that keep industries safe. Finally, you'll see how automation, digitalization, and Industry 4.0 are transforming heavy manufacturing into smarter, faster, data-driven factories. If you want to understand how the giants of industry are designed, formed, welded, tested, and delivered, this is your front row seat. Technology and processes in heavy manufacturing. Let's build what builds the future.